little bus stop, they could be jumping around saying, okay, we can't agree on RICO, let's go around. Or they could be going point by point by point. And that means that they are halfway and that we may have a verdict today. Okay, so that's how we're walking into the courtroom, okay? Now, what is the question they sent out yesterday? The judge told the defense and the prosecution, let me know what your thoughts are because we have to answer this. They asked a very specific question. Why do I keep harping on very specific? Because the judge brought this up when he literally destroyed Mark Agnifilio and Diddy's team in court. And all they had to say is, we're preserving our objection. And Diddy's team and Judge, who was it? They were like, we're preserving our objection. And Judge Aaron was like, you do that. Let's move on. I'll tell you what, he is tired of Diddy's team, okay? Because they're always coming with the hoo-hoo-ha. Can y'all just please play it straight? But I get it. Y'all are trying to gaslight and con a nation. I've said it before. Diddy cannot win on the facts. He can only win on legal technicalities. And baby, he is working hard to get a legal technicality. Okay, so where are we at, okay? So they come in. What was this question the jury asked yesterday? If you guys didn't watch my live from yesterday, shame on you, but I'll bring you up to court. They said, listen, you need to have, hold on, what did they say? Oh, they said in terms of distribution, this was on, I believe, page 36 or 37. In terms of distribution, lines 1 to 3, if the person asks for drugs and you give them drugs, is it still distribution? Now, I said, hell yes, but this is why people think that Diddy didn't really do anything, right? Because at the end of the day, the fact that just because people are willing to break the law does not mean that you can break the law. Just because people are willing to engage in effery does not mean that effery is good. Just because you willingly agree to take drugs does not mean that the person that gave it to you did not break the law. Case in point, remember what happened with the guy from Friends, Matthew Perry? He willingly went to his dealer. He willingly bought the drugs. He asked for it. He chased him down. He begged for the drugs. But at the end of the day, are the dealers not facing charges for selling it to them or giving it to them, even if they gave it for free? It doesn't matter that you ask. It doesn't matter. That does not take away your liability.